Hi everyone. I hope you are all doing awesome. Today, I decided to talk about the recap of my journey so far. Coming to me, my name is Abhinay, and it's day 50 of 1000 Days Facebook Live. As this is some special number, I decided to share the glimpses of my journey so far that happened. So, if you know me even before, you must be aware that I'm into this network marketing in the industry before. I mean, since the beginning. So, I have faced a lot of challenges, and even before that, I was an introvert, and I don't interact with people much, and also I don't focus much on the surroundings as well. So that was me. Because of that, I had a lot of challenges because of lack of guidance, I can say, or maybe because of making wrong choices. So the journey wasn't so simple. I have taken uncalculated risks, and in 2021, because of lockdown or whichever it is, so that is where I understood that I shouldn't be focusing only on one thing. I should have different streams of income to support one another, and also focus on growing digitally. And from there, and even in my journey, I met different mentors. And in this online journey, there is one person who inspired me a lot. He is none other than Sagar. So I have taken consultations of him like 2 to 3 times, and by seeing his consistency, I started writing with an intention of making it habit, and I announced the 100 days writing challenge, and I have completed it. And then I wanted to show up. So that is where I decided to go on Facebook Live, and even in the beginning of my 100 days writing challenge, and even after the completion of it, I wasn't the same person. And when I started going on Facebook Live, the person who I was in the beginning and the person who I am right now, that's also completely different. And I got more clarity towards what I have to do. So and also I'm the person who made a hell lot of mistakes, and who learned the things the very hard way. And so to help the people make the simple transition, and to make maximum out of this 2022, I'm coming up with 5 days challenge, where I'm going to focus on the very basic things that are required when it comes to maximizing your results. So if you are someone who is looking for a career change, or if you are someone who is struggling in your new profession because of not getting much results, this is one of the best things for you. So if you want more information, you can reach out to me. And thank you for staying till then. Bye bye.